Here we go again!
Come on down! I swear, if you don't answer this phone, I'm gonna come over there and beat you with your own shoes. God, I hate cell phones. Ring, ring, ring. Holla back! Holla back! Help! I'm stuck inside this tiny phone! Help! Help!
Excuse me, is your hip ringing?
Whip it out and talk to it.
Ow! Blah, blah, blah. If you don't come in on Saturday, then don't even bother coming in on Sunday.
Go with your bad self! Ha!
You have 5 seconds before voicemail. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, this is the doctor's office with your test results. That embarrassing problem you had, well, it's back.
Here we go again! It's deja vu all over again!